Click on the subscribe button and press this bell icon and stay tuned for more technology.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Editions, and I'm back with another video. So today in this video I'll be going to show you that why your PC hangs, that how can we just clean the what's the data just that hangs our PC. So let's start this video. So friends, before getting started, I just wanted to give a update from my channel that I will be not going to upload my smartphone news because I am working on the audio quality of my smartphone news. As you know, the audio quality in my smartphone is not that much good. So I am just working on it, and when the audio quality is fixed, I'll be uploading my smartphone news. By the time I'll be uploading my tech videos. So most of the times the PC which has low RAM around 2 GB, that might have to startup will be there, startup will be so slow. So for that I'll be going to show you a trick that the when the computer starts, that at that time why your PC slows, because there are many programs opened. So how can we just disable it? So I'll just go to my start. So for that you do go to the start, go to this run option. You can search there in the run, go to the run. Once the run is open, you have to type there msconfig. Once you type the msconfig, hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, the msconfig will be opened, and now in the msconfig you can see the boot, and no, you need to go to the startup type. So this is the startup type, and in this startup type, this is when the computer starts, what programs are enabled and disabled. You can control all of them from here. So here as you can see, I just on this two things which is right now disable, I currently disable. So in my case I just on this two things which is my antivirus. Most of the times probably what happened, because of the antivirus and your PC has low RAMs around 1 GB or 2 GB, then might your PC stuck because of the antivirus. The software is too high, because of the graphics the processor becomes slow and it's stuck. So because of that you can just disable from it here, and I'll just on this because I have 4 GB around RAM so in this computer, so I don't need to just disable this. But because as you can see there is a Adobe Acrobat, I just disable this because I don't need it. It takes my processor in the use, and I don't want it to for my computer to be stuck, because as you know this is a dual core processor I am running which in it right now. And you can I'd also disable this web companion, the services that you don't need, just disable it, and don't disable the important services like micro corporation. This is Microsoft service, that is Groove Monitor, I think that's like some written. So don't just close the Microsoft apps services, that the window won't start. So be careful while just selecting this, and choose the right that service that you want. You select the antivirus. If you are capable of your PC, then you select the antivirus, and don't select this any other that apps that you are installed on your computer. So this is the first thing, that most probably why your computer does not when the computer boots, it boots slow time, because the processor takes a lot of usage on the antivirus and all the services. So the second thing is we have to clear the temp data. So the temp is a temp that we kept the data which is not in use, so we have to delete it. So how that is going, I'm going to show you how can you delete it. So go to the run. I'll just press the the window key, press the window key and the R, hit it, and the run program will open. What you have to type it here is percentage temp and again percent. Once you type this, hit the enter, and here you can see it will directly open your user dial. As you can see here, it's come like the it's my user file Abbas app data local and temp. So as you can see here, I have to delete this because this is a temp file. This is the file that are in not use, so we have to delete this. So I'll just delete this, control delete. Okay, I'll just select this. So this is my antivirus file, or you can say, while this comes, just skip this because there are many kinds of Windows file that we should not delete it. If you delete it, your Windows will be corrupt. So be careful. And again we have to go to the run and just type there temp, hit the enter, and here is also a temp, so we have to delete it. And I'll just skip this because I think that are my Windows files. You can see this is a Avast file, that is the antivirus. So I'll just don't delete it because I think it will be in use. And so these are the tricks that you can faster your computer. Most probably the main problem is the computer when the startups, at that time the computer hangs because of this services that I showed you in this video. And you have to always once you start your computer, always refresh, try to refresh your computer. Don't just heat up the computer. Don't use it for around 10 hours, 12 hours, so that your computer heats. See that your computer has a cooling system in it, has some fans for the cooling and vents. See that, so the computer has a nice cooling system, so that don't just keep some load to the processor. Make it compatible with your all the RAM and the specifications. Okay, so if you are running a game, so and you are also doing a editing, so probably don't do it, because what happens, the processor has cores. So what is the core? So cores are the thing that performs your computer. So don't just allow two applications, so that your processor, there comes load on your processor. If you had high RAM, then you can use both the games. If you are running or doing editing on 2 GB RAM and playing games also, the load comes on the RAM, and most probably the processor is not also capable of your computer for the working. It may hang. So these are the main problems that occurs in your computer. So these are the tricks that I showed you in this video. So hope you enjoyed this video. I will going to see you in my next smartphone news. Actually, I had made my smartphone news. I'm not uploading because my audio quality is not that much good. So once the audio quality is fixed, I'm going to upload it. And so make sure you subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video.